Welcome back to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today I am here with a special guest, Ayub Ali Bainant, who works with English and a trainer of English. I know we taught English students, bankers, engineers, and so on. Please tell us how to improve in English.
Okay, thanks a lot, dear Ronnie Bhai, for giving me the chance to say something on this channel. Okay, at first I want to talk about the problem of English, regarding English in educational system of Bangladesh. There is a big problem. Okay, when an English teacher enters the classroom, not only an English teacher, even the lecturer, okay, or any university professor, when they enter the classroom, when they conduct the class, they speak Bengali language. So how can we improve living in Bangladesh? Okay, how can we improve English language living in Bangladesh? It is quite impossible. If you go in any foreign country like India, Malaysia, or any other country, okay, they are totally conducting the class in English language. And in our educational system, only written test is held. Where has gone the speaking, writing, and reading? There is no chance to take the test of speaking, reading, and writing. So that is the major problem. We should speak English with our partner, with our teacher, in every sector. Okay, we should try to speak in English, even you are in mistakes. That's no problem. Okay, suppose, and we shouldn't concentrate on the grammatical rules. We should try to speak English, even if you made any mistakes. That is not the factor. Just try to speak from now. And while we are speaking, we're just thinking about the grammatical rule. That is not the correct. Okay. Suppose that ami bhat khai, you're thinking what is the English of ami, what is the English of rice, and what is the English of khai, etc. Blah blah blah. Just try to speak English, think in English, dream in English, then you can speak English properly.
Jawab bhai, just one question to you. That is, how can we improve spoken English?
Spoken English.
How can students improve themselves
Okay.
in spoken side?
If you want to improve spoken English, you have to speak English. There is no alternative way without speaking English with anyone. Okay, you have to, from now.
You know, most of the students, the first time they feel shame when they starting how to speak English. They feel shy and they feel shame. How can they overcome like that situation or like that behavior or like that manner? Please tell us.
If you want to be a good English speaker, then you have to remove three things. I want to say it in Bengali language.
Right.
One is লজ্জা, জড়তা এবং ভয়। এই তিন থাকতে নয়। You have to remove this, okay? Otherwise, you can't speak English properly.
And I think they have to have well proficiency in vocabulary. Is it?
Yeah.
They have to be enriched in English vocabulary. Then is it too much needed to be improving grammatically in spoken English?
No. That is quite wrong, okay? Suppose that one student reading in class 10, they reads English from 10 years.
Right.
They know enough vocabularies, but they don't know how to speak English. Okay, how to build the words to produce the sentence.
Right.
Okay,
I'd like to say they have to know how to complete sentence.
Yeah,
they have to know how to make a sentence,
Yeah.
and they have to know how to build up the structure of sentence.
This is happening only for the environment of English. There is no
Right.
environment in any educational system, institutions. Okay, everywhere, every school, they speak
Yeah.
in Bengali language. That is the major problem.
All right. And you know, English is mandatory to know in home and abroad. You can go here and there,
Okay.
like foreign countries, England, America, India,
I want
and
to
any
say,
country.
I want to say one
they have to
sentence.
well
Without
proficiency in
English,
English.
life
Right.
is impossible
Right,
nowadays. If you want to operate computer, if you want to operate any mobile phone,
Right.
every instruction has been given in English.
Right.
So without English, our daily life is totally impossible.
Right.
And there is a problem, okay, lies in our education systems. The main aims of our students is to get a plus, not to learn English properly.
Right.
So they are reading model question, they are solving the model question again and again, but they are not trying to speak English, they are not trying to understand in English, they are not trying to reading freely, okay. That is the main problem.
Well, viewers, you can know how to do well in English, how to improve in English. You know that life is impossible without knowing English as well as possible. So, practice yourself as much as possible, as soon as possible, how to do well in English. Thank you
Okay,
very
okay,
much
cheers.
to give us your valuable time.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Next
my
week
place,
in our
okay.
next program. Okay.
Okay, see you.